Hi guys, thank you for enrolling in this course. In this course, we will teach you how to get access to your Facebook Ads Manager and how simple it is to create a Facebook ad. You can start with the campaign name. We'll take you step by step on how to do every single thing. One of the most important thing, the targeting, it's explained in detail so that you can understand who to target and how to target. And then we will talk about the different kind of placements that Facebook has for our ads, like the newsfeed, stories, marketplace, instant articles, our inbox, and then we will go towards optimization for our ad delivery. However we want how we would do it. So all the things are explained, and especially how basically the Facebook charges us, if it's for impressions or click per link. So we will also be talking about a free resource that we have inside our Facebook ads, and we would use them to choose an ad image. Then we will move on towards the ad copy of our Facebook ad, and also how our ad would look on different places where the ad is displayed, like Instagram stories. This course is really easy and would really help you understand how to run a Facebook ad. So please enroll in the course and also see a coupon code in the description that could help you save a lot of money while you're trying to enroll. So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you inside.